Hey guys, me Blaine, I'm back again, and right now I have something new for my car. I got a 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper Edition, the newest one that's out right now, and I've done a lot of different upgrades and accessories and installed different things already in my car, and I wanted to start doing a little bit more for the nightlife, the ambient lighting. Okay, so this is what I got. Right now I'm getting ready to install some lights. They call them welcome lights by Tez Studio. Okay, here we go. So like I said, they're from Tez Studio. They are the welcome lights. They call them special car door lights. What it is when your front doors open up, there's a little bit of an ambient light that shines on the ground. Well, to be honest with you, they're not that bright. They're not that great. The OEM ones, the ones that come with the car. So you can upgrade with all kinds of different ones. There's different ones out there that move and do different things. And well, these ones here are a little special. They actually have two lights that project down at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to take them out of the box, and I'm going to install them, and then wait till tonight, and then I'll show you more about exactly what they do. So let's just go through the installation part right now. All right, so really all you get with these, it's this little bag right here, and these two little boxes. But like I said, see that these ones have two lights. The OEM ones just have one light coming down, and like I said, it's not very bright. But this one here, you do get two lights. All I'm going to do is just take out the original one, disconnect the cable from it, and connect this one back in there, pop this sucker back in there, and it's done. All right, there's nothing else you got to do. So anyways, let's get started. I do notice that this one says for the left hand side and this one says for the right hand side. So anyways, let's get started installing them. All right, starting to do the passenger side. I mean the driver's side. There we go. Run it out. Push that little button down. Lever. Take it out. There we go. One light's on. Second light's coming on. All right. You know it's good. And all you gotta do is push them in. They pop in and it's installed. Let's wait till tonight. Hey, before we take a look at see what they look like at night, I did want to point out one thing, that the cord that comes out of the new one, whatever side the cord is on, put the cord in towards the outside of the door. Once you put it in, you can put your hands underneath and see which way the logo light's facing in case you did it backwards. And if you did it backwards, pop them right back out, flip them around, put them back in. And then you can wait until tonight, or at nighttime anyways, and see how they really come out. So we're gonna take a look at it here in a few minutes, or tonight anyways. Sophia, are you ready to look at these lights? All right, come on, open the door. Let's check them out. Oh. Wow.
Really pretty.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look, oh, that's pretty bright, isn't it? Wow. You like them? That is pretty cool, huh? All right. And here's the driver's side. Tell you what, they're pretty bright. Well, there you go, Sophia. What do you think about them? Do you like them?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah, they're pretty bright, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's pretty cool how they change. So it says welcome and then Tesla, and it kind of moves around a little bit.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Welcome Tesla.
Welcome Tesla. All right, so if this is something you're looking for, they're made from Test Studio. The link is down below in the description. It'll take you straight there. You can use my discount code, get a discount on them. They sell a lot of other things, so it's not just the lights. You can buy all kinds of different things from them, right? So hey, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and most of all, be fun. Be fun. I messed up, didn't I? Oh well, have fun, be safe, and keep driving, right? Say bye.
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 Bye.